What's up guys, welcome to Lens Lundy Boxing, and today we're going to learn how to punch properly. So, I see a lot of people punching the bag like this. You know, lots of beginners doing that on the bag, so that's very poor punching technique. What you want to do is curl your wrists inwards and hit with the first two knuckles. So the index and middle finger, okay? No matter what kind of punches I'm throwing, whether it be a straight, an uppercut, or a hook, okay? So, I'll demonstrate on this bag very slowly. So, the first thing I want to do is curl my wrists inwards. Secondly, is aim with the first two knuckles and land with the first two knuckles. So, meeting the index and middle finger. So, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No matter what kind of punches I'm throwing, I'm aiming with the first two knuckles, okay? So I did that in slow motion right there, and I'll show you guys in fast mode, okay? And well, in real speed, basically. So. Now, it's very good to hit the bag bare knuckle because it forces you to hit with your first two knuckles and nothing else. So, the index and middle finger. Now, when you hit the bag bare knuckle, it's very important for you to stop on your punch, okay? Just like that. Stop on your punch. You don't want to slide off, okay? If you're sliding off the bag, you're going to rip your skin, and you're going to have a bloody bag. You don't want that going on, okay? So now I'm going to show you guys with gloves. So if you're new to boxing, you don't want to hit the bag bare knuckle right out the get-go. What you want to do is get a pair of gloves, whatever size fits you, and hit with the proper technique. So curl your wrists inwards, hit with the first two knuckles, index and middle finger. So just like that. Once you get the technique right, you can start going a little bit faster and a little bit stronger, okay? So just like that. And when you're an expert, you can go even faster and stronger, okay? Just like this. So just like that. So now we know how to hit the bag properly. Curl your wrist, hit with the first two knuckles. I hope that you guys use this at your next training. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. If you liked it, leave a like. And if you think that it will help out a friend, share the video. Peace out. I'll see you guys next time.